So hello everyone, welcome to Revsportz. I am Srishti and alongside I have Amreen Siddiqui, and I think we are doing a first video together
Yeah,
in this
definitely.
Badminton World Championship. So today we are on the mission. Can you tell the mission to the people?
We are on the mission to show you what BWF World Championship has to offer as merchandise, as souvenir, because people around the world come and they just want to take something with back at their home
Yes.
to remember what the championship was. So let's come together and see what India has to offer to their fans around the world.
Yes, let's see. And also, like, I have heard people saying that the collection
This time is not that
decent.
great, yeah.
Yeah, it is debatable, it is decent. So we are going to look out to the collection and you guys decide whether the collection is good or not.
Definitely, stay with us.
So here we are in front of the tournament merchandise. So let's see what collections they have. So a bag we can see, and let's just show it properly. This is the bag. The design is there. Some t-shirts, different color options are there. A bit green kind of shade and black, obviously evergreen. Yeah, and three umbrella options are also there: yellow, maroon and pink. And apart from that, a different design in t-shirts we can also see. As you guys can see, this is a different design and that is a different design.
We also have water bottles over here.
And yes, we also have some water bottles. See, these are the water bottles, and these are the umbrellas, capsule umbrellas, very much in trend right now because they are easy to carry. But again, I think the collection could have been a bit better because the plushies were a lot in demand, and we can't see any plushies here because we have been told that the plushies are exclusively for the players, so we are not going to get the plushies. But yeah, these are the collections, and if any fan wants to take a token or something. And also they had keychains, but we can't see the keychains now anymore. They had keychains as well, so keychain options were also there. Amreen, you want to say something about the collections?
Apart from the world BWF merchandise shop, we also have some merchandise from Yonex and everything. So we should go and cover that as well.
Yeah, sure. Let's go and cover that as well. So we are here at the Yonex store, and as you can see, there are a few souvenir collections as well. Some shuttles are there and some teas. A lot of color options we can see: a navy blue, white, orange and green kind of. And we have a few, these are called the tote bags kind of, so we have a few tote bags as well. This color is nice, Amreen, I guess. And apart from that, black color is here as well. See, and if we go a bit over there, then we can see more shirts. And if we look a bit here as well, so there are quite of good things, good stuff. And yeah, see, so colorful, so many color options you have some shorts over there, and you have the tees over there, so you can mix and match. It's your choice what you want to buy. And we can see a few tees and some shorts over there. There's also a lot of people, caps, we can see socks also is there. And yeah, so the kind of crowd you can see here at the Yonex store, you can assume how much craze they are carrying currently. And overall, quite a good collection I believe they have. And shoes are there as well, many things. If we start,
A proper kit.
yeah,
We can make a proper
things.
kit.
And some rackets are there as well. There are kits, as we can see. So many things are there, and it's the best part I really feel is it's very colorful, because colors are always attractive no matter what. If the colors are good, people will come. If not, then things can happen. So yeah, quite good collection as we can see. So the merchandise, the Yonex store, we have seen both of them, and it was quite good, which we can see. And yeah, if we can see over there as well. Okay, and we have a few keychains as well, as we can, if we could show audience, excuse me. So see, there are a few keychains, and let me tell you guys that they had a collection of the keychains of Satvik Chirag as well. And what happened, it got sold out, obviously. So yeah, we can see a lot of collections here as well. The keychains are there, but very less keychains are left, by the way. So you can assume the craze which they must be carrying. And overall, the collection is very good, and hopefully we can like see these kind of collections anytime soon whenever there will be another tournament. So yeah, the merchandise, the Yonex store, both the collections we have shown you, so you guys can tell us that how did you like the collections as well. Hello everyone, welcome to Revsportz. I am Srishti and alongside I have a badminton fan, and right now we were talking about the merchandise of the BWF World Championship 2026, and I have heard many fans talking about it that they are not happy about it. So sir, what is your opinion about the badminton World Championship merchandise which we are seeing right now?
So the merchandise overall is decent. Merchandise is something that carries memory and is sweet. You would want to take it back home, reflect towards the tournament even after 5 to 10 years. So I honestly, the merchandise consists here of bags, umbrellas, keychains, and things amongst others. But honestly, a plushie is missing, and
100%.
everyone here is asking me where do I get a pico, but I mean that's what's missing. They have done it decently, but they could have obviously used their creativity towards something better, considering plushie is pico is our official mascot. They could have, if there were some issues with that, they could have went for something different, because we notice a lot of fans, even if they can't come here, they want something as a souvenir to take it back home. So what I personally feel is that if they could have put in a bit more of effort or creativity, it would have been better. It's a 7 on 10, but 10 on 10 is always better.
Okay, so if the picos were available, so how many picos you would have bought? Just asking.
I would have bought 5 to 10 myself and a few for my friends, fans, families. So yeah, that's that.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Okay, so this was the tour to the merchandise store and the Yonex store with me and Amreen. And do let us know that how did you like the merchandise collection and the Yonex collection, as I'm asking you repeatedly. And for more such news updates and latest news, keep watching
Revsportz, because Revsportz will give you no time updates of the BWF World Championship right from the Indira Gandhi Arena. Thank you.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Revsportz. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Revsportz, your favorite destination.